Hi friends, are you getting tired of some of your recipes? Well, I've got a great crockpot recipe for you today. This is a southwestern chuck roast. I've been making this for years and it is full of flavor. It's quick and easy and it'll give you a new recipe and a new meal to share with your family, and I guarantee it that they'll love it. It's not spicy, it's just the right amount of flavors. Go ahead and watch today. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And you will see more videos like this one. Hello friends, welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to make a super quick and easy crock pot meal. I've got to head off to work, so I want to have dinner done when I'm come home later. I'm going to take some olive oil. We're getting right into it because I don't have much time. So we're going to take some olive oil, put it on the bottom. Now this recipe is something I've made for years and years. It's like totally a win every single time. So I'm taking some chuck roast, basic chuck roast. Now, a lot of times I will slice a whole onion and put it on the bottom, but I have bought this jarred salsa. It's more like a homemade type that I got in the grocery store, but it had a lot of onions in there, so I feel like I didn't need. I'm gonna wash my hands. I didn't need to put. My husband's not a big fan of onions, so um, that will be enough onion in there for him. So I'm gonna take some salt and a little bit of garlic powder. We are going to use a whole pack of taco seasoning in here, so I'll be careful how much salt. But you do want some, and a little onion powder. Did I do one? No, I did the garlic. We'll do some onion powder. That'll give a good flavoring. And this is great. You can put celery and potatoes and carrots in here. Sometimes I do that. Today I don't have enough time to do that, so I am going to, hopefully you can see me, I'm going to move this over to the side. So you see I've got about 2 cups of salsa, and it's a chunky salsa. And I made this with chicken, and I only used 2 tablespoons, but I feel like you definitely need more. Let's see how many's in a pack. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, like about 4 tablespoons. So I'm going to use the whole thing. I'm going to put that right into my salsa and give it a good mix so it's nice and evenly. I'm going to use half a can of beer. You're going to pick whatever you want. I had this for another recipe. I made this cheddar beer soup. And I wouldn't, it's a Pilsner, which I would not get again because it's a little bit too bitter for me. Yeah. I'm just stirring that good so my taco seasoning has dissolved. And I'm going to pour that right over the meat. Okay, like how hard is this? Not hard at all, right? So we're going to pour that. And on top, just take the rest of your beer. Like I said, I got a half a can here. And I'm going to take a whole can of tomato paste. Like I said, this tastes great if you can put potatoes and carrots in there. I love putting this tomato paste right on top because it gives like a nice thick, gooey topping over the meat. And yeah, I'm just going to cook this on high for a few hours. And it'll be done when I get home from work. And we will have a good supper. You can serve this. I baked some potatoes last night, so I think we'll use that. But you can use mashed potatoes. You can make rice. You know, it is like a Southwest type of, let's use a little sprinkle of salt there. It's like a Southwest type of dish. And, sorry, I gotta slow down. A little more pepper. So it would be great with refried beans, little Spanish rice. yellow rice. But yeah, so let's take a look. Like, how simple is that? That's so simple. I said you could put celery, you could put carrots, you can put potatoes. I've done that many times. What do I do in my lid? Put my lid on. It's on high. And there we go. We're going to have a really good supper. We will see you later when it's done and you get to see how it turns out. Catch you in a little bit. All right. That was quick, right? Oh, it was like 6.5 hours. But I have my Southwest roast, chuck roast, all done. Got home from work. I made a side of corn. We got some black beans. We got some rice. I have a baked potato for me. So we got a variety of things, but wait till you see this. Now, I'm going to let this steam out because it's going to be piping hot. Ta-da! Woo! And you are going to love this. So, oh, this is how, oh, it looks yummy. Let me bring the camera over there, okay? Let's be careful so I want you to get a good look at that without dropping my camera in the crock pot. So, does that look good? I love how you can mix your tomato paste in, but I like putting it on the top and it has that like tomato-y creaminess. And then if you can see all the salsa and it's just bubbling up. So we're going to take this out. Let me reposition my camera. Oh, pretty and yummy. So this is one of my favorite fall and winter dishes. Let's put it on a plate. And this is going to be like so tender. Oh my gosh, look at that. See? I always love it every single time. We're going to let that cool down. Now what I can do is you can take some of your black beans. Let's put a little black beans on there. There's my coffee spoon. We're going to use that. And then I'm just going to take a little so I can take a bite for you. I'm letting it cool down. And I'll just sprinkle a little Colby Jack. If I had refried beans, I would make that. But today I don't have that. So we're going to use black beans. Put a little rice in there. Let's just do a little for tasting. For tasting's sake. And a little sour cream. You can put a little, you know, you can have some guacamole too with this. Let's put it on the side. Just need a little bit. So this is so simple. You're gonna love it. You know what? Let's take some of the salsa. Look how rich and creamy that is. And if I wanted to, I could take some fresh pico de gallo and put that on there on mine. Yummo. Well, let's cool off a little bit. And of course, I just had to put that hot piping sauce on there. Let's try a little of the black beans with the cheese. That's good. I didn't even add anything to it. Sometimes I'll put a little salt and lime juice. And today I didn't. I just wanted to show you this and I can't wait to eat supper. So let's give it a taste. That is perfect. Perfect every time. So I tried this dish with chicken because for years I've just made it with beef. And I did do a video, but I didn't show it yet because I just put the chicken in there like how I do the beef. Oh, that's good. I should have thought it through. I definitely would make this with chicken, but first I would braise my chicken to give it a little brown color, and then get my skin a little crispy, and then put it in the pot, and then try it that way. I use chicken thighs. It's really tender. Uh, oh, this is so good. Y'all. I'm hungry too. So let me stop here. But yeah, I would do it with chicken too. You can really do it with pork. You could, it would be super simple with a pork roast. But anyway, that's my recipe. My easy crock pot recipe. You can make it up in 10 minutes, maybe less than 10 minutes. And we'll see you next time. Hey, do me a favor, hit the like button or subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, and follow me on Facebook. See you next time. Hi friends, welcome to my channel today. I thought I would put this little clip in. There's been a little bit of a delay. I usually post once a week, and I live in the Pacific Northwest, and I had to take a trip back east. My mom had gotten very ill over um, uh, this holiday season, so I wanted to go and help out and get some things in order and get a good visit in with her and be able to see her. So, of course, that's very important, and that's what this whole channel is about. Is really back to home. I haven't announced my um, business name, but it's Back to Home with Doreen. And family is the most important. Is one of the most important things to all of us. And of course, we want to nurture the ones that we love. We want to support the ones we love, and that's what I did over this holiday. It was an unexpected trip, but I'm so glad I went. And so for 2024, I'm gonna have some cooking videos. I'm gonna just some things wrapped around homemaking, and whether it's do it yourself, gift ideas, home decor, um, home organization. And I hope to put some inspirational little encouragement to you, the things that have helped me as a mom, a wife, and just a homemaker. I love serving my family. I love making a happy home, and just a place of peace and comfort for myself and for my family members. And sometimes in things in life we've had chaotic times, but it helps things when home is stable. It really does. So I know we all have that desire to make our home peaceful and stable, and just a nurturing environment for our children and family members and friends and grandchildren. So that's what I hope to do with this channel, is serve you in those capacities. So I'm glad to get back and do some of the normal everyday things. So look forward to some upcoming videos. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're watching on YouTube, and if you're watching on Facebook, please give me a comment and give me some ideas of what you're looking for to help with your homemaking, and whether it's meals, how to, organizational things. It helps me to know what you're looking for. So, and there will be a lot of cooking, because we like food, and we like good food, and we like homemade food, right? So we'll see you as the year folds out. God bless you.